Hello dear seller, welcome to Flowwow, your go-to global gifting marketplace, and our YouTube channel. We're so happy to see you here. In our last video, we guided you through setting up your shop on Flowwow. It all sounds pretty straightforward, right? But we know you're keen to start getting orders as soon as you sign up. Today we're going to talk about how to boost your product's appeal to customers by mastering the product cards. The way customers perceive your product fully depends on how you present it. We will guide you through some essential tips for creating a product card that catches the eye and convinces customers to make a purchase. First up, add 5 to 6 photos. Make sure to make them in high quality and good lighting. Avoid any unrelated objects, signs, or logos in the background. Note that the product in the photo must match exactly what you're selling to avoid expectation-reality mismatch. On the main photo, place your product right at the center, free from those unrelated objects. Use the other images to show different angles, giving a full view of size and detail. Next, add a video. Videos bring your product to life. They're the best way to show your product from all sides and in action. Detail the content. Be super specific about what's included in your product. For example, all flower types and how many of each there are in the bouquet. Be sure that the information matches exactly with what's seen in the images. Set a competitive price. Analyze the market, check other shops, and set an appropriate price. Always ensure that your Flowwow price matches up with prices listed elsewhere. Craft a great product description. Write catchy, informative descriptions that will leave customers willing to buy. For example, the use-by date for your cake. Make sure to choose the right category and subcategory so your products are easy to find. Remember, when making a purchase, customers fully rely on your information. The better you fill out your product card, the more likely they are to hit the purchase button. Now, let's go over some specifics for different categories. All florists work differently, and flower batches can vary, so bouquets might also differ in size. We recommend calculating the maximum and minimum possible sizes for a bouquet and providing the minimum on the product card. Customers are unlikely to dislike getting a larger bouquet, but receiving a smaller one could definitely cause dissatisfaction. Customers love details. Provide a thorough breakdown of the dessert, including all ingredients. This helps attract attention and serve those with specific dietary preferences or allergies. Consider adding a photo that shows a cross-section of the cake or pastry to help visualize the actual serving. Address common concerns by detailing care instructions right on the product card. Specify everything from water needs to sunlight requirements. Clear, comprehensive care tips can reassure customers and make them more likely to purchase. Assume the customer knows nothing about your product, but wants to know everything. They will purchase your product only if they like it, and that's impossible without the details and descriptions. If you still have any questions, please don't be shy to reach out to us in the support chat. We're always happy to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more Flowwow tips. Let's thrive together.